You know, Optimus has biologically inspired hand made to be useful in any setting. You can check out the first video of Optimus with its next generation hand. This is the first time we are seeing it on a complete robot. We are seeing latest new hands on Optimus. The left hand here is 22-DoF hand with all actuation in the forearm with tendons passing through the wrist like human. All packaged beautifully in a human-like form factor. In October month, Tesla published patent for Optimus bot hand that mimics human hand movements.